Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to hide suggested photos on the lock screen wallpaper selector. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Once you are on the lock screen, you can hold down on it to bring up that wallpaper changer, and then you can customize your wallpaper or you can add new. And right here it shows you suggested photos. Now let me show you how you can toggle off this feature. So just go to your home screen and on the home screen open up settings. Then scroll down until you find photos up here. Right there. Just get into it. After that, scroll down until you find Show Featured Content. That allows featured photos and memories to automatically appear on this device in places such as For You and Search in Photos and in Widgets. So all you have to do now is just toggle this feature off, and now you can go back to the home screen. Then try to add new wallpaper, and right here, as you can see, suggested photos are hidden now. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and lock screen tutorials playlists and also wallpaper tutorials playlist where you will find a lot of useful videos. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.